How to switch between multiple Threads account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Threads on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right. In here, click on two lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, scroll down and click on Switch Accounts. After you click on Switch Accounts, you will find option to switch, but if you don't have a profile added, click on Add Profile. Then log in with Instagram to another Threads account. After that, if you click on Switch Account, you will find two profiles. Then you can simply select the other profile to switch profiles. And this is how to switch between multiple Threads accounts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.